Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the passenger door handle on a 2003 all the way to 2007 Infiniti G35. But it's really simple. What you have to do, you just have to remove this plug right here, which you can do. These are going to be the only tools we're going to be using. So you can remove this clip. There's a little plug. Hold on. You can remove this little plug, just put the pliers like this and pull out. Put it on the side. And you're gonna need a screwdriver using the T25. And let me put light, hold on. Okay, that's the screw we're going to take out, the bolt. Don't worry about the bolt falling down, it won't. As you can see, there's a little safety clip or whatever it's called, so the screw won't fall down. So what we're going to do is we're just going to unscrew it all the way. And right there should be fine. Okay, so once you unscrew it all the way out, you can wiggle, like if you don't have the magnet, this magnet, if you don't have the magnet, you can just wiggle this and try to pull it out with the other hand. As you can see right now, it doesn't want to come out all the way because the screw still holding it a little bit. So this is where you can use the magnet to pull the bolt just a little bit out, and then this part will come out. I'm gonna need two hands here. Let me see. I'm gonna pull this one out a little bit, and then there, you can see it came out. Okay, once you remove this piece, you can take out this one. Once you remove this piece, you can just pull it on the side, and right here, you can pull towards that side, and it comes out. It's that easy. I'm going to put a link down below in the description where you can buy the door handle. And I mean, to put it back is just pretty much the same thing backwards. So you can just put it and then push to that side. Then you get this, put it here, and then using the screwdriver with the T25. I know I'm moving the camera too much, guys, I'm sorry. And there. There's tight. Then you can just put the plug. Yeah, that's easy. It's so easy. So alright guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And as always, peace.